Okay, this is the die box. You'll take your die, place it in the box, close it. I did check the key already, and the key does lock. And the die will vanish, and it's not in the box anymore. Put it back down, and we can bring it back. So that's the die box. I had to rebuild. The catch was just worn out in here, so I rebuilt the whole inside so that it operates properly now. So that's the die box. Okay, shotgun to chair. This is the way you fold it up before performance. Set it on its back like this with the print facing up, and then very slowly make sure that the roller shades are not made with a high spring tension, because there will be too much for these to work in the time when you release it. So there's just enough to roll this up. And each one rolls up in a different direction, like so. I'm going to bring it like that. And now you see, so now you have the shotgun. Okay? Oops, and the front piece just goes in here. Like that. Okay, this is the firing mechanism. It takes a .170 shell, which are discontinued. They were very popular in the early 19th century on stage props, but they're no longer made, so we can't actually demonstrate the firing. But this is the pin. You would load it in here like that, and when you're ready to fire the gun, that's what you would do. Okay, so let's assume we fired the gun. You're going to take the gun like this, and you want the backside to you, where the firing mechanism. You want that to face you. Grasp it at the center, and very carefully bring it out, like so. And then tilt it forward, and you have a chair. So that is the shotgun to chair. And top will. Now I want to point out that the one lock in here locks all the way, and that's what makes this nice and straight. But the top ones don't. They just keep tension on the back. So there's your chair. That's your shotgun to chair.